Welcome to CCN TV News, your premier source for local and international news. From the streets of Kingston to the capitals of the world, we are ready to cover you stories that shape our world. Stay tuned for breaking news. Dreaming of sipping coconut water on a beach in Jamaica? You're not alone. Every year, thousands of people think about ditching the cold. Busy city life for the warm, laid-back island vibes of the Caribbean. But before you quit your job and book that one-way ticket, there's something you need to know. The real cost of living in Jamaica might shock you. And here on CCNWORL TV News, we're breaking it down honestly. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know the real numbers, the hidden cost, and whether living in Jamaica is truly worth it for you. Welcome back to CCNWORL TV News, where we dive deep into the real stories and realities behind the headlines. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on life in paradise. Jamaica is stunning. Beaches, music, people, food. It feels like a dream. But so many people think living here is cheap. The truth, for most expats and even locals, Jamaica can get surprisingly expensive fast. If you've ever asked yourself, could I really afford to live in Jamaica? This is the video for you. We're breaking it all down. Housing, utilities, groceries, transportation, healthcare, schooling, and the little hidden costs nobody tells you about until you're already here. First up, housing. Most newcomers look at Kingston, Montego Bay, Ocherias or Negril, the hotspots with jobs, beaches and nightlife. But rent here is no joke. A simple one-bedroom apartment in a safe neighborhood with decent amenities can easily run you $500 to $1,200 USD per month. You heard right. Up to $1,200 USD per month. Gated community, modern appliances, 24/7 security, you're looking at $1,500 to $2,000 USD for a good 2-bedroom unit. Sure, you can find cheaper spots in rural parishes like Portland or St. Mary, but you trade convenience for savings. Fewer jobs, longer commutes, patchy internet, and less reliable services. And be ready for upfront costs. First month's rent, last month's rent, plus a security deposit. That's a lot of cash just to get the keys. Next is utilities. A true shocker for many expats. Jamaica has some of the highest electricity costs in the Caribbean, mostly because oil is imported to keep the lights on. If you love your air conditioning, brace yourself. A small apartment power bill can hit $150 to $300 USD per month, sometimes more. Water is more manageable at $20 to $40 USD monthly, but internet is another cost. High-speed packages range from $50 to $100 USD, and yes, outages can still happen in some places. So, many people pay extra for backup generators or tanks. Now let's get to groceries. Local food is your wallet's best friend. Fresh foods, veggies, fish, jerk chicken from street vendors. But if you crave imported goodies, wine, cheese, almond milk, name brand cereal, get ready to pay double or triple what you're used to. A single person eating local can keep weekly groceries at $50 to $100 USD. But a family of 4 mixing in imported food, you could spend between $200 to $400 USD per week easy. Eating out? A box food or street meal might cost $7 to $9 USD, but sit down at a nice spot in Montego Bay or Kingston and dinner for two can hit 60 to 100 USD, drinks not included. Transportation, another cost that creeps up. Road taxis and public buses are cheap, around 1 to 2 USD a ride, but they can be crowded, unreliable, and not the safest at night. So most people want a car. Used cars cost a fortune thanks to import duties. A decent second-hand Japanese car can run 8,000 to 15,000 USD. Gas is pricey too, 5 to 6 USD per gallon. Add in repairs, insurance, and rough roads, transportation can easily drain a few $100s monthly. Healthcare surprises many people too. Yes, there's public healthcare, but clinics and hospitals can be overcrowded with very long wait times. Many expats and middle-class locals go private for better, faster care. A single doctor's visit might cost 50 to 100 USD. Specialist care or surgeries into the thousands. That's why many pay 50 to 300 USD monthly for private health insurance, just to have peace of mind. Got kids? Schooling is another expense. There are public schools, but many families choose private schools for smaller classes and better results. Private tuition can be 2,000 to 10,000 USD per year for a child, plus books, uniforms, field trips, and school fees. It adds up fast for families dreaming of a new life in Jamaica. And then there are the hidden costs no one talks about. Visa renewals, residency fees, higher prices for electronics and appliances, imported furniture, hurricane season, extra insurance or home reinforcements, personal security if you live in certain areas, and inflation, always creeping up, pushing food and fuel costs higher. So, is living in Jamaica worth it? Absolutely, if you're realistic. The beaches, the warmth, the vibe, priceless. Many people come here, adapt, and live happily. But you have to plan. Live like a local. Buy fresh produce, skip the fancy imports, cut down on AC, find affordable rent. Come prepared, and you can live a rich, fulfilling island life. Come expecting everything to be cheap and easy, and Jamaica will drain your wallet faster than the tide comes in. So that's a shocking reality of Jamaica's living costs, brought to you by CCNWORL TV News. Are you still ready to trade the city hustle for island life? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this eye-opening, hit like, share it with a friend who needs to hear it. And don't forget to subscribe to CCNWORL TV News for more real talk about the Caribbean and beyond. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay wise, stay informed, and stay ready.